What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have something that all the men in the world may need, and women. I only say that because the stereotype of men always losing their wallet is like, that's like the main thing in the relationships is the men always lose their wallet. I was in Costco and I said, you know what? This is convenience. All right, let me go ahead, check this product out. It works with Apple Find My, and it says works with Pebblebee app. So this is a Pebblebee product right here, and it says card and clip. So as I see right now, you can put it into your wallet as far as this card goes, because it looks like an actual card and you can actually feel the indent, which is pretty cool. You got the clips right here and the most infamous, the car keys. I always lose my car keys, you guys. I've been late for work plenty of times losing my car keys. Sorry, boss. Anyway, so right in the back we have for me it's the blah 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 stuff, so I'll get into that later. I just want to know if this work like standalone or not need to purchase a subscription. So right here you get 2 clips, you get 1 card, and everything is scan this. Oh, okay, all right, okay, so we got a lot of stuff in the back. All right, so we got a charger cord here, a charger cord here, and another charger cord. So it says right here, rechargeable up to 12 months per charge. What? 12 months per charge? That is insane. So you can charge this and it be charged for 12 months. They need to put that in cell phones. Chargeable, water resistant, bright LED, and loud sound. So you guys, let me go ahead, download the app. Y'all know, like my style review, I will try to do an app overview just to show y'all. But if you do not need to have a subscription, I will definitely let y'all know. And these are snap-on rings. Okay. Oh, this is nice. That's nice. Okay. Ooh, I'm ready to put this on the keys right now. All right, you guys, let me download the app and then I will finalize a review. Okay, everyone, so I want to get down to the final of this tracker, wallet tracker, keys tracker, and wherever you want to track, you can track it. Okay, so right now I have my keys linked up and I have the card linked up, which you put into your wallet. So you want to put your card like in your wallet pouch. So you put it in like that into your wallet and you just be like, oh, I lost my keys again. I can't believe it. And then you be like, oh yeah, I do have the tracker. So what you want to do is go to find, and right now it's finding personal keys. Let me go ahead and I want to look for my wallet. Okay, I had to slide down again. So I had to slide down again. Now what I want to do is press wallet on here, find, and then I hit buzz, and it also lets you know if you're nearby, and that's for my wallet. Okay, so another good thing about this is if you leave your wallet at your house, let's say you take a trip to work, all right? Well, take a trip. Let's say you're going to work, you forgot about your wallet, and this app right here will notify you saying that you left your wallet behind. It will give you like a chime, and you can actually edit your chime to be whatever chime you want it to be. So, well, not whatever chime you want it to be, but whatever chime is available on their app. Now, we have our keys right here. So let me slide down and go to personal keys and find. And then at the find, you click buzz. And this is even louder. So that's nice. We hit stop. Another important thing that I was stressing out on this whole review was subscription. You do not need a subscription, you guys. This is lovely for 40 bucks. I don't know what it is now. I actually bought it early December, so I don't even know what the price is. Is it right now? I don't even know what price is going for right now, but it was $40 the last time I checked at Costco. I will check Amazon as well. As you know, if I can't get the Costco link, I will post the Amazon link. And that will be it, you guys. I will feature this in some shorts and like some funny videos and stuff, just to have people aware that they can get something cool, so nobody will lose their keys or wallet and be late for work or be late for school and all that stuff. So yeah, that will be it. So if y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section, and I will try to do something, you know, for the people. And that will be it. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.